I know a lot of people been wondering where I been, because I ain't been doing no video lately. I know I got nicotine patch in my mouth. Yeah, I've been trying to lay up all the vaping and start these Zen patches. Actually pretty good. Not bad. But starting off, I hated it, but it's not bad. Like I say, for do a little review, the Box Chevy. I know it's been a while since a lot of people seen it. It's still here. I just haven't been tampering with it too much. I went and got a little cheap paint job. So a lot of people be like, go here, don't put this paint on, don't put this paint on. Fuck that patch. Anyway, be like, go here, don't put this patch on, don't do, I'm talking about patches, don't put this paint on, don't do this, don't do that. Man, look, man, I took that car up here to Econo in Columbia, Georgia. I gave them $500 damn and they sprayed the whole damn car. I had to run around with everybody and their mama trying to get their car painted. Everybody act like they ain't want to paint it. So I went straight up there and gave them motherfucker $500 cheap ass damn dollars to paint this damn car. And I don't give a fuck if a motherfucker don't like it. I love it. I just needed it sprayed. I got tired of looking dingy. And I mean, they did a damn good job to me. So $500, hey, it beat me paying somebody $3,000 damn dollars. And I ain't feel like paying $3,000. Why I'm finna pay $3,000 when I'm finna take the damn motor out eventually probably next year and put my LS in? So there's no point in me wasting money. Fuck that. Put a little cheap paint on there so I can poop around and still look decent and shit. Then when I drop my new motor in, then I put the color I want. But anyway, let's get into the review. Alright guys, I'm off in the Chevy. I know my windshield dirty. I'm on my way headed to the house now. Like I say, I done did a lot to this car in a little while. So just thought I'd do a little update on it, man. She coming along real good, man. As y'all already knew about the Digidash and everything in here. You know, got the airbag blowing. Got everything situated with the motor. I mean, motherfucker ride good, man. She ride good. I'll say we're on the highway right now, heading to the house. I did go and put a little basic cheap paint job on it right now, just so it won't be all rusted out. So let me go ahead and get off of this, so I get on down to the house. But as you can see, steering wheel ain't shaking the net. She ride damn good. And that gear in the rear is working. She working good. Alright guys, just made it back home. As you can see, the car don't look bad at all. It don't. Let me get that off of there, man. I don't know why I was up so close. Don't look bad at all, man. Went and put some brand new tires on her. Put a little El Cheapo paint job on her. I gotta change this. I got this off in the car. I had bought a new one. We put a lat grill on them because I don't know if y'all remember the last video or a couple of videos ago or so. I hit a deer. So I got the lat grill on her now. I'm putting stains all over it, but yeah. She came a long way, man. Came a long way. Also, interior is a whole lot better. I still ain't cleaned the seats. Got everything working in. Like I said, I got parts everywhere still. As y'all know, I already did the headliner, Digidash, carpet. I tried to clean it, did my best. It don't look bad. Air conditioning back working. A couple of videos ago, I think the last one I did of this car, I got the pipes put on. I should have did a video on this, man. Got a remote start on the car now, so the only thing you do early in the morning, you hold that. So she fires right up. She can see Digidash and all that working great. Can't lie, I love the exhaust on here, man. Love that exhaust. As you can see, no key in, nothing. I started to sell this car, but I think I'll hold on to it. I got the remote start hooked up to the point where if you touch the brake, she cut off. So that's everything just about right. I'm just giving y'all a little update on the car, let you know I still got it. Still been working on it here and there. I slacked up on my videos, but they coming back, man. Like I say, man, y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe and stay tuned in to your boy, man. The tire hole, we finna actually hop on that probably this week coming up. We finna hop on the tire hole and go ahead and get it back up to where she supposed to be at. So like and subscribe, man. Your boy. All right, there you have it, guys. Simple as that. Car is done. Well, not done, but it's still a work in progress. I'm actually finna climb off in my little Ford Fusion, take my ass to the house, man. Like I say, been transitioning jobs, so I ain't have time to really be doing no videos on them right now. But me and my job transition, so I just ain't been having no time to actually get to it. But finna get back started on the tire hole. Like I say, still been working on the Chevy, been working on my little put here and there. Actually, probably thinking about going to get me another project eventually, depending on how life goes. But for right now, the only thing I'm trying to do is basically get down to school. Y'all want to know more about it? Basically in CDL school right now. I'm finna get all that, try to get all that done. Got excellent teachers, man. Y'all want to know more about it? I'll probably do a video on it. I can't do videos in class, but I'll tell y'all more about it. It's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. And, you know, if everybody didn't know, Alabama got this thing going on right now. Well, you can get your CDL for free, bro. I mean, it ain't 100% free. You still got to pay for some stuff, but you ain't got to pay for the school, you know. But I'll tell you this, it's definitely worth it. If you try to look for a career that you want to relax and do, and something that you can do for a while, and you ain't trying to work forever, it's definitely something you can do. So y'all be with me as I go through my journey doing this. And like I say, I'm gonna probably do a video and explain to y'all more about it, but it's definitely worth it, man. It's worth it. Don't get me wrong, I love my job. I take that back. I don't love my job. I like my job. But I'm not trying to be around chemicals and for the next 10, 15 years and I be sick out here, man. A lot of people die from chemicals and stuff getting into their bloodstream, so I ain't trying to be one on them. But I'll link more information to it when I do the video on it. Like I said, y'all like, subscribe, your boy still here. Man, let's get it, man.